Hey guys, welcome back again, and today's video is going to be quite interesting and special because today's in this video we will gonna be talking about that how you can write a program where you can make this kind of chart which is actually 3D. Okay, so now in this we are gonna use matplotlib and the MPL. Now you might be asking me that what is MPL, so let's see. MPL toolkits in Python. So it's used for doing, I guess, the images in 3D. Okay, just a second. What is MPL toolkit? So this MPL 3D provides some basic 3D plotting scatters. So scatters offline mesh tools, not the fastest or most feature complete 3D library out there, but it ships with matplotlib and thus may be a lighter weight solution for some causes. Okay, so let's begin now with writing the code. So first of all, this should be written in hashtag. So import required modules, import matplotlib.pyplot splt, then from mpl toolkits.mplot 3d import axis 3d, yeah, and then import numpys np, then from matplotlib import style. Yeah, now let's see. Yeah, so there's no error, it means this is 100% working. So setting a custom style to use, so let's say style.use 538. Okay, 538, and create a new figure for plotting. So plotting, that is figure equals to plt dot figure. So create a new plot. Create a new subplot. Yeah, subplot on our figure. That is axis 1, that is figure dot add subplot, let us say 111 projection in a simple words, that is 3D. Okay, so get points for a mesh grid. So uv np.mgrid, that is 0 into 2 np.pi. So the pi means this is I can say for calculations and all of that, and what it does is that it will I'm sorry, it will calculate the numbers which I'll type, and then what will happen is it will show you the output in such a way where you will be saying that wow, it's truly amazing. So np.pi, so we're gonna write it in we're gonna copy this with numpy. So np.pi, that is 100j, and what it's gonna do is setting xyz coordinates. Yep, so xyz, setting xyz coordinates, that is x equals to np.cos. Okay, that is u, and np.sin v, yeah, and then y equals to np.sin u, that will be also multiplied by np.sin v. So z equals to np.cos, that is v, yeah, it's v. So plotting the curve, that is ax1 dot plot wireframe, that is xyz r stride xyz r stride 5, and in the comma, no, r stride and c stride, yeah, c stride C-stride 5, and comma, line width, that is 1, and plt dot show. Let's see. Okay, so r stride is actually not mentioned, I guess. So let's see. Do we have that? R stride. Okay. Let's see. So it's showing that line 3D object has no property called R stride. Okay, so it's not this one, it's RI. Yeah, let's see now. So here we are. So here it is. It is actually usually it's done in the blue, red shape. Now over here we are getting the output in the blue color. So I hope you loved it. Thank you very much, and bye.